Stand up.
When it operated in the nuclear deterrent role, the aircraft was painted in a brilliant white. When that was taken over by countries on nuclear missiles, and the aircraft took on the tactical, low-level, conventional bombing role, that's when this camouflage scheme was adopted. At the end of the Vulcan's operational career on the 30th of April 1982, supported by pretty much the entire fleet of Victors and other Vulcans, the Vulcan 607 hit the coastline at Port Stanley runway in Falkland Island with one bomb, hitting the edge with another, making the runway unusable and denying it to the Argentinian party. Until the Gulf War, that raid on the Falklands was the longest bombing Operation Black Buck, as it was known. And that which there is an excellent book called Vulcan 607. Was the longest bombing raid in history up until that time. It down 760 miles round trip. That's further than from here to Santiago in Chile. Agile and manoeuvrable it is, surprisingly so for a large aircraft at such low speed. So the whole project has surrounded and organised by naysayers and doom-mongers, prophets. Now there have been many near disasters, things like failing in the foreign heritage application, but against all the odds, several times almost going bust, even planning to lay off the workforce more than once. Many other disasters all pulled back to the brink. But things have always sorted themselves out in the nick of time to rescue the aircraft so far. Getting the aircraft back to flying condition has been called one of the greatest aviation Well, to get this far has cost more than £10 million. Jack Haywood,
how old are you?
Forester of Aerospace, the CAA, Civil Aviation
Let's go to Wheelstown.
Have been very supportive. You don't realise how loud it is until they throttle back. And you realise just how quiet it was before the full power was applied. Marshall Aerospace are the engineering authority. Other companies like AV Holdings, AirBT, BAE Systems, EADS, Goodrich, Judge Tower, TSC Airways, Meggitt, Messier Doughty, Rolls-Royce and Serco. But as we heard Barry say earlier, it still costs around £2 million a year to run the whole group. That's just under £39,000 every week. The Vulcan to the Sky Club does much of the fundraising. It has more than 8,000 members and rising, making it one of the biggest aviation heritage support clubs in the world. And the Vulcan to the Sky Club now has sufficient funds to cover the rest of this air show season. But after that is the expensive winter maintenance period to make sure that this piece of aviation heritage carries on flying for as long as possible. More funds are desperately needed. And from the left now, in the landing configuration, this will be a great photograph as she comes in low and slow with wheels flat down.
That's nice. I like managing it. I mean, I want to do like
Let's go home now. Yeah.
So the Vulcan continues to need everybody's help. The original business plan depended on major commercial sponsorships, which hasn't been forthcoming to date. But the Vulcan to the Sky Trust continues to propose the project strongly to big businesses, especially in the aerospace industry and beyond. This year she'll be doing about 25 displays, and in the hope that she will continue to inspire and excite the next generation of British engineers and designers by her example of what can be achieved by our country. One reason why big companies should be queuing up to support the Vulcan to the Sky, honouring the past and inspiring the future.
Gone home.
So